In this video, I'm going to show you how to stream on YouTube with OBS Studio. First, you need to set up a stream on YouTube. Launch the Google Chrome web browser. Let's open YouTube from here. Now let's try to start a live stream. In the top right corner, click on Create. In the drop-down menu, click on Go Live. A pop-up should appear on your display. In the pop-up, click on Now. In this pop-up, you have to choose a medium for your stream. As we want to use the OBS Studio app, I will click on Streaming Software. In this pop-up, you have to specify whether your stream is for kids or not. Select your stream type from here and click on Save. In this menu, you will get a stream key. Copy the stream key by clicking on Copy. After copying the stream key, minimize the app. Now launch the OBS Studio app. At the bottom left corner of the source section, click on this plus icon. In the pop-up menu, click on Display Capture. In this menu, click on OK. In this pop-up menu, click on Select a Display to capture. From the drop-down, select your display. Now we have to connect the YouTube stream with OBS. In the bottom right corner, click on Settings. In the left side menu, go to the Stream tab. In the Stream tab, click on Service. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube RTMPS. In the Destination section, click on Use Stream Key. In the text box, paste the stream key you copied earlier from YouTube. Now click on Connect Account. Connect the Google account of your YouTube channel. After connecting the account, click on Apply and OK. Here you can see that a chat window has appeared. You can reposition the chat window however you like. On the right side of the stream display, you can see that OBS is asking you to log in. Log in to the same Google account as your YouTube channel, just like before. Now close this window. Let's resize the chat window so that we can see the stream clearly. Now in the Controls section, click on Start Streaming. In the pop-up, click on Manage Broadcast. Here you can give a name to your stream. You can also add custom thumbnails and descriptions, but for this example, I will leave them as they are. But one thing you have to do is specify whether your stream is for kids or not. Select your stream type from here and click on Create Broadcast and Start Streaming. Here you can see that my streaming has begun. You may find the settings a little complicated the first time, but once you connect your channel with OBS, you can start streaming more easily than before. Following these steps, you can stream on YouTube using OBS Studio easily.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.